Is the largest in South Asia and fourth largest in the world. The most famous mosque in Pakistan was designed by Turkish architect Vedat Daloke to be shaped like a desert Bedouin's tent. It completed in 1986. The mosque is conceived as the National Mosque of Pakistan and named after the late King Faisal bin Abdul Aziz of Saudi Arabia, who supported a mosque Lahore. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore, commissioned by the 6th Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 1671 and completed in 1673, is the second largest mosque in Pakistan and South Asia and the fifth largest mosque in the world. Epitomizing the beauty, passion and grandeur of the Mughal era, it is Lahore's most famous. The Shah Jahan Mosque is located in Thatta, Sindh, Pakistan. The mosque was built in 1647 during the reign of Mughal King Shah Jahan as a gift to the people of Sindh for their hospitality. It is built with red bricks with blue colored glazed tiles, probably imported from the town of Hala, Sindh. The mosque has total of 93. Or Tuba Mosque is located in Karachi and is locally known as Gol Masjid. It was built in 1969 and is often claimed to be the largest single dome mosque in the world. The mosque is built with pure white marble. Bhong Masjid is located in the village of Bhong, Sadiqabad Tehsil in Rahim Yar Khan district, Pakistan. It was designed and constructed over a period of nearly 50 years from 1932 to 1982 and won the Aga Khan Award for Architecture in 1986. Peshawar. The Mahabat Khan Mosque is a 17th century mosque in Peshawar. It is named after the Mughal governor of Peshawar, Nawab Mahabat Khan, who served under Emperors Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. The mosque was built in 1630. Located in Lahore, the mosque is famous for its extensive tile work. It has been described as a mole on the cheek of Lahore. It was built in 7 years starting around 1634 or 1635 AD during the reign of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The mosque is inside the inner city and is easily accessible. Grand Mosque of Multan is located on the main Multan-Lahore highway in the northeast of the city. It was built in 1735 by Nawab Abdul Samad Khan when he was the Mughal governor of Multan. It is very spacious, provided with a vast courtyard and a huge prayer chamber. Moti Masjid is a 17th century religious building located inside the Lahore fort. It is a small white marble structure built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and is among his prominent extensions to the Lahore. Is another great example of Mughal Empire's beautiful architectural structures in subcontinent region. This beautiful